Get acquainted with the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, intelligent auto on-off high beams, V8 engine, navigation system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.